Hey folks, this is Raul at Worldwide RV, the Jayco dealership here in Mesa. Today we're in the beautiful 38 Pinnacle FLWS, and I want to talk to you a little bit about TV antennas, upgradable TV antennas that give you a better signal while camping, and the option for Wi-Fi, the option to have internet with you while camping. A lot of people ask for it, so I thought I might just as well explain a little bit what options there are out there. Winegard came with this year with the new option that combines the antenna, omnidirectional antenna, and gives you the option to have a router attached to it and have Wi-Fi while on the road. So let me tell you about the antenna first. The Air 360 Plus is a omnidirectional antenna that mounts on the top of the roof, replaces the standard one that requires adjustment to work. This is omnidirectional, so 360 degrees, no adjustment necessary. It also gives you a much better signal, and it has a wider range of 55 miles. It's a low frequency noise amplifier. It works on VHF and UHF frequencies. If you also want to have the option for internet, this new gateway router mounts to the inside right here. It's a quick snap-in. If you like to use their own SIM card that gives you the option to get a data plan from Gateway, you can. If you like, also they give you the option to use SIM cards from AT&T or Verizon. They all have different data plans depending on your use of the internet. The Gateway router also has the 4G capability, and as you can see, it gives you options for a secure hotspot. You can also connect all sorts of devices to it, and it comes with a very easy to use app that would work on your smartphone, both for Apple and Android. If this is something that you might be interested in and you have more questions or you like to purchase, please contact our parts department at the number below. Ask for Christina or Renee. They'll be more than happy to help you with your purchase. Thank you again. This is Raul at Worldwide RV, the Jayco dealership here in Mesa.